Would you like to learn an African language but just don't know which one? Why not learn the language of our ancestors? The language which was spoken by the people of the Kingdom of Judah of West Africa was Eʋegbe, also known as Ewe. Eʋegbe is classified under the Gbe branch of the Niger-Congo family of languages, which also includes Fongbe, which is spoken in Dahomey. The suffix be means language in Eʋegbe. Today, Eʋegbe is spoken in Ghana, Togo, Benin, and southwestern Nigeria, and it is taught in some universities outside of Africa. Our Ewe language course offers you a unique opportunity to learn the language, histories, and culture of the Ewe people. Do yourself a favor and enroll today.